This is Honor 200 and this phone is still worth it in 2025. Let's find out in this video. First of all, talk about the phone design and the build quality. Honor 200 built with simple profile with the lightweight glass in the front, plastic back and plastic frame, and back panel is matte finish and is look too much good. Honor 200 come with 6.7-inch 1B color OLED panel with 120Hz refresh rate and the peak brightness is 4000 nits. Honor 200 continues to impress with vibrant color and sharp details. Overall, the display quality is excellent and this is quad curved display and is look too much beautiful. And the studio speaker is also very loud and the phone also come with under display optical fingerprint scanner and face unlock. When it comes to performance, the Honor 200 come with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC and pair with up to 16GB of RAM and 512GB storage. Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 is a very good processor for mid-range smartphone and the performance size is also very good as other devices. All the app opening and closing speed very fast and at the same time I also using lot of app at the background and the phone perform pretty well. Software side, the smartphone running Magic OS 9 with Android 15. The user experience have been smooth with the useful AI features and a clean interface. The device also supports 5G connectivity. What about the gaming performance? I am playing PUBG Mobile and Call of Duty Mobile. Call of Duty Mobile you can play very high graphics and max frame rate and also play low graphics and ultra frame rate. And the PUBG Mobile you can play smooth to extreme and also play HD graphics and extreme frame rate. I am already making PUBG Mobile and Call of Duty Mobile dedicated gaming review. Video link also available in the video description and the I button. Check it out. Let's move on to the camera section. The smartphone comes with the excellent camera setup, a 50 megapixel main sensor, 50 megapixel telephoto lens with 2.5x optical zoom and 12 megapixel ultra wide, and the front is come with a 50 megapixel selfie camera. The smartphone main camera you can record high 4K 60 fps video and you also record 1080, 30 and 60 fps video with EIS and this is 4K 30 fps video sample and the video quality is too good. Now let's talk about the picture quality. Daylight you can take a pretty much good photo with a lot of details. All the image color correction, dynamic range and sharpness is excellent. Especially I like this smartphone portrait picture. You can get excellent portrait and I am already making this smartphone dedicated camera review. Video link also available in the video description and the I button. Check it out. Battery life has been impressed thanks to the 5200 mAh battery. On average, I have been experienced nearly 2 days of use on a single charge. The 100-watt fast charging is a game changer. Fully charge the device just under 40 to 50 minutes. The Honor 200 is still worth it in 2025. Yes, Honor 200 continues to impress as a well-rounded mid-range smartphone. Its combination of design, display quality, camera capability and battery life make it a completely good choice. Okay, that's pretty much for today's video. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more in-depth review. Thanks for watching and I'll be catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.